I guess this is goodbye. We are departing this little 2-car garage, and we're going to be moving into a pretty good sized 3-car garage. Finally, more room to work on the 3.0 Duramax diesels at the house. This one was a tight fit. The new place, we will get to pull the truck all the way inside, and we're going to get to do a bunch more videos with that. But anyway, I just wanted to say goodbye to this area. This is it. This is the 3-car garage. We can actually fit everything in here. No more townhome having the truck sticking out halfway out of the garage. This is tremendous. Now the move itself was pretty much a nightmare to start off with, but let me tell you one thing. This cooler right here, this thing saved my butt. Now Travoca sent me this cooler. It was a free item. They said, hey, test this out. Let me know what you think. And here's the thing. I was going to test that out with, I loaded it with a 6-pound prime rib in there. We had our drinks in there. There's a compartment on there for a freezer. As you can see, the 2 different temperatures on there. So I got this thing loaded up, all right? Saturday is our big moving day. Sunday is gonna be the day where I cook this big 6-pound prime rib. Everything's gonna be fun. We get to utilize that cooler. That cooler came in so handy. First of all, our Saturday movers didn't even show up. Looks like we're all ready to go. We are waiting for the movers, and I think we got a bit of an issue. We don't have movers like we initially set up. They left us hanging, and so we had to reach out to a different company, Island Choice Movers. They came out on Sunday. Now keep in mind, that was when I was supposed to cook this prime rib on there, and what a nightmare the move was. So these guys, Island Choice Movers, actually made it super good. But the problem is, once we moved into our new house, we found that the freezer didn't work. So we weren't able to keep items frozen. And then the refrigerator we thought didn't work, but that one ended up being okay. So what we had to do in the beginning was we utilized the regular style coolers for stuff that you could throw ice in, but that can only keep stuff at a temperature near like a refrigerator. Yes, there's ice in there, but it's not going to freeze. Brings us to the Travoca. I have an app that controls just how this temperature is set. And the thing with this cooler is that you can open this up from one side. You can open it up from the other side. And it's totally accessible. You can load up all your food in there. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because this operates as a refrigerator and a freezer. And the reason that that came in super handy was because we had to spend 8 days living out of this thing. And the most critical was the freezer. A cooler is not going to give you a freezer. The only way you're going to get that is with an actual freezer itself. All right, so we're going to take the refrigerator stuff out and make this whole thing a freezer because our freezer is broken. Now, since this Travoca cooler comes in a 25 liter, 35 liter, 45 liter, and a 60 liter, we got lucky because they sent us a 60 liter. This allowed us to work out of this for 8 days while we waited for our new refrigerator freezer combo to come in inside the house. This is beneficial because, one, I wasn't able to cook that prime rib. I actually had to freeze it, which I know that's horrible, but you know what? I had to do it because things were just not working in my favor. So this cooler, we used it as a complete freezer at that point. Turned this thing into 0 degrees across the board. Bam, worked perfect. It saved all of our freezer goods. The regular coolers over there, those handled the refrigerated stuff that could just work off of ice cubes in there. And then our new refrigerator came. And so I also want to point out that I did have this in the back of the truck. I powered it with the truck. No problems at all while we were doing the move from the townhome to the house. So huge shout out to Travoca. Like I said, they sent us this thing to test it out. We tested it out. 8 days we lived out of this thing. So the Saturday movers didn't show up. We're scrambling. We hire up Island Choice Movers. They come in. And honestly, it's comical because he kept looking at my toolbox asking, hey, how are you going to move this toolbox? And I told him I'm hiring a tow truck because I don't want anything to happen to this. He's got a U-Haul truck with a ramp, and he kept saying over and over, I can move this, I can move this. I said, all right, I gave in. You know what, let's do it. I was going to pay the tow truck driver. I'll pay you the same if we can get this thing moved. And boy, he got it moved. And it was quite an adventure loading it up on there. It took a bunch of force and then bringing it back down. Everything is good. So very stoked to have my toolbox here. This is going to be a better workspace all in all because we are going to have much better lighting. The ceiling is going to be covered with the hex lighting as well as straight lighting, so this will be lit up very well. Our videos in the future are going to be very informative, You'll probably see me redo a bunch of videos on this because I think we could do things better and more explanations on things. And also you guys have a lot of questions within the video. So we're going to go ahead and go over a lot of stuff in more detail. And I think we could do that because like this, we've got this space here. We don't have outside noise. We don't have anything crazy going on. We could close this up. If I don't finish a job on the same day, we're going to be okay. So I can go ahead and take the Corvette to work the next day. But at least we can leave this parked inside the garage. And like I said, I got to get rid of all of this overhead stuff. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Hopefully it's just a day's worth of work, but it's very nice to be in a much larger house rather than a townhome. Super stoked. With all this extra space, we have the ability to house more products. So we're going to definitely up the product. We're actually going low. And in all honesty, you can barely see the oil filters there. We're blowing through over 200 of these PP oil filters per month. That's a hot item, DemonWorkshop.com. So more product is coming. We're going to be able to do more how-tos, more of everything. So be sure to check out future videos as we do go more in depth. We do have a 27 truck that we will be getting, and that truck will be featured very highly in throughout this DemonWorks YouTube channel. So I want to say a shout out to all of you guys that support the channel. I appreciate it. And those of you that are buying product with the DemonWorkshop.com, greatly appreciate that as well. And yeah, until next time, see ya.